Alright YouTube, what is going on? Wanted to do a video here about how to continuously advance your career. My name is Matt, so I'm a medical device sales rep, so I've always been very career focused, someone that is always trying to propel himself in sort of an upward direction, whether that be career wise, life wise, anything like that. Just always trying to kind of be better than I was the next day. So I wanted to give kind of like some top tips for how to advance your career going forward, because I'm sure nobody here wants to make the same amount of money or be in the same exact position they were 30 years from now. So just kind of want to get some tips that way. So if you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe. It's the only way that I'm going to grow and get content out to people like you. So without further ado, we'll get into some of these. So in my personal opinion with this, I think you should always try and make more money the next year than your previous year. So every year going forward, you should try and make more in some way, shape, or form. So whether that be a 3% raise, which that's small, but I guess it's fine if that's what you want to do, or in the next year try and gain some new kind of skill that is going to promote you to either get paid more, go to your boss, or be able to command a larger raise, or sometimes even going to a competitive company if that's the kind of niche that you're in. But just always strive to just make more each year. It's going to make your life so much easier. So another tip that I have is just to learn a new skill as much as you can. If you're sitting there and let's just say you're a data engineer, for example, and you're doing the same exact thing over and over and over again, coding the same things, same problems, that's pretty much all you're going to be able to stick in for that period of time. But if you are learning new things on the fly, either in your free time, anything like that, you're going to be able to promote yourself a little bit more to other companies or your same company, to where you're going to be able to command a higher paycheck because you're going to be doing more more volume of work for them, so a little bit more scope. So the next one here is just be open to other companies, when people or other competitive companies that are coming in and wanting to offer you more money to work for them. At least be open to the conversation to them. I understand there is brand loyalty, people not wanting to move, loving their boss, that kind of thing. All those things do play a part in this, but I would be open to talking with those companies just to kind of see what opportunities are out there. No harm is really going to come from just at least having a chit chat. I don't really think your boss can can fire you that much just for talking to another company to see what the offer might be. They might not be happy with it, but if you do a good job, I'm pretty sure you're going to be staying put where you are. So at least be open to that. So another one is, taking other certificates and classes. These are going to be good too. These are just going to advance your career growth, something that you can go and show your boss that, I did this cert, now I'm trained on this certain thing. It's going to show them that you're a go-getter. It's going to show them that you want, something more down the line. So this is also a big one for me, podcasts and books. These help out so much just with gaining perspective from other people, newer ways, better ways that other people might be doing something that I never even knew about. So reading podcasts and books, that's going to, just enhance your knowledge, which is also going to enhance your career if you're reading podcasts and books that are related to what you do every day. So this is one of the most important topics, networking. Everybody should have a LinkedIn at this point. If you're career focused, you should be, connecting with other people throughout the point in times of your career. So every second connection that you have on there, which means you're mutually connected with another person who's connected with the person you're looking at, just connect with them. Just start these connections going forward, just so you can have a fine network of people going forward that's going to grow each year. Networking is huge. If you don't have a job, you can put out there looking for a job, and you have 2,000 connections versus 100 connections, you're probably going to get a little bit more job traction with the 2,000 connections. So the next one is getting a recruiter or a sponsor, someone that's going to be able to speak on your behalf to the work that you have done and sort of put that out there to other companies if you're trying to command a higher salary or get another job that pays more. So that's, a good way to do that. They'll go to work on your behalf, and then they obviously get, a cut from that company if they hire you. So the last one here is going to be find a mentor. I have two of these people that are completely unbiased from, my medical device sales role and real estate gigs, but they are, active in certain things that I find them mentors for. So, I always go to them when I want an unbiased opinion of what I should do at certain things. And, I would trust their, judgment, to the grave. So finding someone like that is crucial, that you can always bounce ideas off of. If you can be like, hey, should I swap to this job for this and this and this? And then it's someone that they can take you through like a checklist to see if this is a good role for you. That is very important. So that is going to do it. Feel free to subscribe. I'll be doing at least one of these videos at least once a week, probably trying to do 2 videos a week. So, you know, if you like the kind of things, message me. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email, that kind of stuff as well. Take care.